I accidentally had explosive diarrhea at the cinema, then caused the most unnecessary chain of events ever. So I was sitting in the cinema watching a film when my stomach started making noises that sounded like a lawnmower fighting a washing machine. I thought, I've got at least another hour. I did not. Out of absolutely nowhere, I accidentally unleashed the most explosive diarrhea of my life. The bloke next to me stood up so fast he spilled his entire popcorn on 3 different people. I panicked, jumped over the seats, slipped on a rogue nacho, and somehow rolled all the way down to the front row. The film was still playing, but somehow everyone was watching me instead. I got so embarrassed, I started full speed hitting the gritty towards the exit, but the automatic doors refused to open because I was running at them too fast. By the time I finally escaped, I realized I'd left my phone, my wallet, and my dignity inside. Safe to say I'm waiting for that film to come out on streaming.